Question 431. What techniques would you use to foster innovation in a collective leadership environment? To foster innovation in a collective leadership environment, I would employ techniques such as design thinking workshops, which encourage creative problem solving through empathy and iterative prototyping. Establishing a safe space for brainstorming allows team members to share unconventional ideas without fear of criticism. I would also implement regular hackathons or innovation sprints, where teams can collaborate intensively on new concepts. Encouraging diverse perspectives by including cross-functional members can lead to richer ideas. Additionally, creating a system for recognizing and rewarding innovative contributions reinforces the value of creativity. By cultivating an innovative mindset, collective leadership becomes a driver for transformative change. Question 432. How would you handle a situation where collective leadership is leading to indecision? In a situation where collective leadership leads to indecision, I would first assess the decision-making process to identify bottlenecks. Encouraging a structured approach, such as establishing clear decision criteria or utilizing decision matrices, can help streamline discussions. I would facilitate a focused meeting to revisit the objectives and encourage the team to prioritize key factors influencing the decision. Implementing time limits for discussions or votes can also prevent prolonged deliberation. If consensus remains elusive, I would suggest that the team consider a fallback decision-making method, such as delegation to a small group or a designated leader for final input, ensuring progress is made without compromising collective values. Question 433. What role does storytelling play in collective leadership, and how would you utilize it? Storytelling plays a vital role in collective leadership by building connections and fostering shared understanding among team members. I would utilize storytelling to communicate the vision and values of collective leadership, sharing success stories from past initiatives to illustrate potential outcomes. Encouraging team members to share their personal experiences can strengthen relationships and highlight diverse perspectives. I would also incorporate storytelling into meetings to frame challenges in relatable contexts, making it easier for the team to engage with the issues at hand. By leveraging storytelling, I can cultivate a sense of belonging and purpose, reinforcing the collective leadership framework within the organization. Question 434. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of a collective leadership model within an organization? Evaluating the effectiveness of a collective leadership model involves assessing team performance metrics, employee engagement scores, and feedback from 360-degree reviews. I also implement qualitative measures, such as focus groups, to gather insights on team dynamics, decision-making processes, and overall satisfaction. Regular check-ins and adjustments based on this feedback ensure the model is aligned with organizational goals, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and accountability. Question 435. What tools do you recommend for facilitating collaborative decision-making in remote teams? I recommend tools like Miro for visual collaboration, Slack for communication, and Trello for project management. Miro allows teams to brainstorm and visualize ideas collectively, while Slack facilitates real-time discussions. Trello helps in tracking progress and assigning tasks, ensuring transparency. Combining these tools creates an integrated environment where team members can collaborate effectively, regardless of location. Additionally, regular virtual check-ins can help maintain engagement and accountability. Question 436. Describe a situation where you had to troubleshoot a conflict arising from collective leadership. In a previous role, a conflict emerged when team members had differing opinions about project direction. I organized a mediation session where each member could express their concerns openly. Using active listening, we identified common goals and reframed the discussion around those objectives. This process allowed us to co-create a compromise that satisfied all parties, fostering a culture of collaboration. By facilitating open communication and emphasizing shared values, the conflict was resolved, and we moved forward stronger as a team. Question 437. How do you integrate continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD practices into a collective leadership framework? Integrating CCD into a collective leadership framework requires fostering a culture of shared ownership among team members. I emphasize the importance of automated testing and deployment tools like Jenkins or CircleCI, enabling teams to collaboratively contribute to code quality. Regularly scheduled retrospectives help teams analyze failures and successes in the deployment process, encouraging collective problem solving. By promoting transparency and collective accountability, teams can rapidly iterate while maintaining high-quality standards, aligning with the principles of collective leadership. Question 438. What strategies do you employ to align diverse teams towards a common organizational vision? To align diverse teams, I first facilitate workshops that clarify the organization's vision and values. Using collaborative tools, I encourage team members to share their perspectives and aspirations. Identifying common themes allows us to create a shared narrative that resonates across the organization. I also establish cross-functional teams to enhance collaboration and ensure that diverse viewpoints are represented in decision-making. Regularly revisiting the vision during team meetings reinforces commitment and keeps everyone aligned toward the common goal. Question 439. Can you explain how you would assess cultural fit when hiring for a collective leadership consultant role? Assessing cultural fit for a collective leadership consultant involves evaluating candidates' alignment with the organization's values and collaborative mindset. I utilize behavioral interviews to uncover past experiences in team environments, focusing on examples of conflict resolution, adaptability, and inclusiveness. Additionally, I may involve potential team members in the interview process to gauge compatibility. Cultural fit goes beyond skills. It's about finding individuals who embody the principles of collective leadership, such as empathy, openness, and a commitment to shared success. Question 440. What role does emotional intelligence play in collective leadership, and how do you cultivate it within teams? Emotional intelligence, A, is crucial in collective leadership as it fosters understanding, empathy, and effective communication. I cultivate A by implementing training sessions that focus on self-awareness, emotional regulation, and interpersonal skills. Regular team-building exercises also facilitate trust and open communication, allowing team members to express their emotions constructively. By encouraging reflective practices, such as journaling or peer feedback, team members can develop better emotional awareness, leading to stronger collaboration and conflict resolution. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.